Alright guys, so I am back again today, and I'm going to do a little review on an RC plane that I just got today. Pretty cheap too. I meant like cheap money. So I don't know how it's going to hold up. The Inom, or however you pronounce it. I got it for about 42 bucks plus tax, I guess you could say. It comes ready to fly. It's pre-assembled indoor flyer, 2.4 gigahertz radio with built-in LiPo charger. Yeah, I mean, spare propeller, 4 AA batteries. It's literally ready to run. So I guess let's open it. It's really small, so I don't know. So that's how small it is. It's not very big. It's like 2 inches bigger than my hand. Wingspan is. You're gonna have to put the LiPo battery in, but it's not that hard. It just plugs in, and then there's a Velcro part on it. It just sticks to that. Here's the battery and the spare propeller. Sorry guys. That's how small the battery is in the propeller. Now I just gotta figure out how to get the controller out of the box. Here we go. This is the controller. Not a very big controller, but it'll do, I guess. You got your parts manual and everything. And thinking that's it. Oh, almost forgot one of the most important parts. If I can get to them. I had to rip the box open a little bit, but there you go. AA batteries for the controller. They come with the plane, so it is literally ready to fly. I'm just going to give you my personal opinion on it. The wings are a little flimsy, like all of them are, but I mean, the body and stuff hold up pretty good, so if you were going to crash it, try and probably nosedive it, because I don't think it's going to hold up very well on a wing crash. So, thanks.